Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a logo in Canva quickly and for free. First, open the Canva website or mobile app and log into your account. On the homepage, go to the search bar and type logo. Canva will instantly show you logo templates sized perfectly for branding. Click on Create a blank logo if you want to design from scratch. Choose from one of Canva's ready-made templates if you'd like a starting point. Now, once the editor opens, you can customize your design. On the left side, you'll see Canva's tools. You can change the text by adding your brand or business name, adjust the font style, and pick colors that match your brand identity. You can also explore the Elements tab to add icons, shapes, or illustrations. For example, if you're creating a logo for a coffee shop, just type coffee in the Elements search bar and drag the icon you like onto your canvas. Once you're happy with the design, make sure to adjust the size, spacing, and alignment so your logo looks professional. When you're done, click on the download button at the top right. Choose PNG for high quality, and if you want a logo with a transparent background, select that option as well. And that's it. You've just created your very own logo in Canva, ready to use for your brand or business.